Hello, everybody. I'm Nancy Novoa. I'm talking about of consideration for others is basis in a good life, in a good society. This quote means the manners for the people have respect replied. Polite depends when you are. In this country, the people from the rural area is more rude than people from the urban area. Here are two scenarios. First, when you are in a bus and all see an indigenous woman with a baby in your arms, nothing can ever their seat. Other example, we uh, sometimes forget said please or thank you for some favors that do asked. Um, this don't respect for the people, but uh, these are reasons for this. One is not having enough time with the family and not having enough education levels. So children don't learn manner from their parents and from the people. And when they will adults, they want a good example to follow. I think that important is remember that uh, if we uh, treat in a nice way, we um, will be treated in a good way. Say the good morning, good afternoon, hello to enter in wherever and whenever, and responses as I'm sorry, no problem, could be used to improve in our interactions. Thank you very much.